Hello and welcome. My name is Trevor Hodges, and I am a Master's of Divinity student here at Regent University. And today I will be showing you how to conduct biblical research. So for this passage, we will focus on researching James chapter 4, 1 through 10. And I always tell students to initially go to Primo to find commentaries on the book of the Bible they are researching, to find the passage they are researching within the commentary. And that is a great place to start. So right here, we'll go ahead and run a search. Commentary on James. And we'll have to use facets on the left-hand side of our screen to narrow down the search to ensure that we get a good narrow search on the book of James. So immediately, I'll go to use all these facets here, and I'll use books, full access online, and right here, you can see that we already have some great research. So resources, we have a Book of James commentary by Douglas J. Moo, who is a phenomenal author. And we have all these other great resources. Now, another good search that students can run to find articles is they can type in the passage they are researching. And see if anything pops up immediately. And then you can also search by mixing up the search by doing James 4:1, James 4:5, and just seeing if anything initially comes up. This is a good way to refine your search and see if you can find anything useful. Right here, we have a book chapter on James 4:5, so that may be interesting as well. Now, the next way I'm going to show you how to research is we're going to find articles on the book of James, and this is so simple for all the students to use. So first, we're going to go to the Regent Library homepage, then go to Databases, Articles, eBooks, Streaming Videos, then go to the full database list. Once we are here, we can scroll down to the suggested databases by subject, divinity, and religion. And these are all phenomenal resources to conduct biblical research with. For this video, though, we'll be using Atla Religion Database. Once you're on the home page, instead of running a search, go to the Scripture tab at the top left of the corner. Once you are here, you can see all these books of the Bible. Simply go to the one we are researching. So I'm just looking for the book of James right now, and as soon as I am there, okay, so there's the book of James. Now, if you click on this, it'll show you articles on the book of James and articles that entail the book of James, articles that reference the book of James. I personally, since I know my passage is James 4, 1 through 10, I'm going to click on expand, and that's going to give me these chapter links right here. So if we want research on chapter 4, simply click there. And these are all resources on chapter 4 of the book of James. Additionally, you can even expand it further and research specific articles. So unlike keywords where it tries to match the words with the title and the content, this will examine the article to see if it mentions this verse. So as you can see here, these are all articles containing James 4, 1 through James 4:10. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you with your biblical research. If you have any further questions, you can always get in contact with us by asking a librarian, and we'll be more than happy to assist you.